Hello everyone, I got this Dremel 395 and this is my personal tool. The other day when I was using this, the shaft stopped spinning but the tool was still turning on. So I thought I'd show this video of how to troubleshoot and repair it. So it looks like the body of this is only held together with 6 screws. 2 of them are a longer screw, and the shorter ones are up in the collar of the tool. The other thing to remember is this back hanger has to be kind of pulled out and then pushed on the other side. It's just kind of held into a little notch in the plastic. But other than that, the disassembly of this is really minimal. Like, anybody should be able to do this disassembly. Just got to kind of pull this apart a little bit here. But I had no idea that this is how the Dremel tools worked. I'm sure this is some form of a vibration dampener. But I found this one on Amazon. It was only $5 or $6, and it seemed like a better thing to fix the tool than to have to buy another Dremel. I think it's a better thing to fix this tool than to have to replace it for a part as minimal as this. And you can see it's kind of just a little knurled fitting. I ended up buying 2 of these just in case. I do have other Dremels, so if they're similar. This one is the 395. As you can see, this is a very straightforward repair. And whenever you're putting screws into plastic, you want to really watch how much torque your driver, if you're doing it by hand, don't over tighten them. These are a self-tapping screw and they can definitely crack the plastic. I think I had this drill set at like a 4 on the little torsion. And the shorter screws go up in the collar area. And now you have a working tool again. I kind of turned this on slow initially because I was worried just to make sure that little collar kind of worked itself into the right spot and it wasn't favoring one side or the other. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and tell me if there's anything new that you want to see. Thanks.